Hi seller, let's see how to create a book listing in Knockout Shopee. First step is to open your seller dashboard. In that, choose Listing Management. Here select New Listing button. Now, select the category as book. Then subcategory and sub-subcategory of book. Next, select the author name of book. If no author name exists, select Apply for Author button. Now enter the stock keeping unit SKU of book. Then enter the number of stock, quantity of stock in your shop. Now enter the book's MRP, market rate price. Next enter the selling price. Selling price should be lesser than the MRP. Note, if you need to add delivery charges to customer, enter the charges based on the zone wise like local, zonal and national as shipping cost. Enter the HSN code for the book. If not known, just Google it. You'll get different code as results. Based on the book it may vary. For example, if you upload printed books, select this code 490111010. Enter the GST percentage. For books commonly 0% GST, so choose 0%. Like HSN, you also Google the GST percentage of your listing. Enter the package length, breadth and height of the product in centimeter. Now enter the packed weight of the book in kilograms. Next step is to enter the product details. Enter the product title. You can provide maximum 80 characters for title. Minimum order quantity. Once the minimum order quantity added, the customer should buy minimum of order what you given in field. For example, if you give 2 in this field, then the customer. Product description. Give the detailed description of your book in this field. Product highlights. Specify the special features of your book here. Number of packages. Enter the count of packages of your book. Keywords. This field plays an important role while searching your product. Enter manufacturing details if you are the manufacturer of your product. If not, skip this field. Imported details. If your product is imported, then provide the details of them in this field. Now enter the packed warehouse address. Enter warranty details. If not, skip this. Select the origin of your book from. Choose the related product if you have. Choose the color variation if any. Upload the image of your product. Select the type of binding you used for this book. Condition of book, whether used or in new condition. Type of book, like what type it belongs to. Example, for comics choose entertainment book. Age limit, in this you can specify which category of age limit can buy this book. Paper material, enter the material of your book. Choose the language of the book contains. Choose the ink used in book. Choose yes if there is a book for this listing, if not, choose no. If audiobook available for this listing, choose yes or else choose no. Then type the International Standard Book number if you don't have, type now. Next enter the publisher name. Give publication date. Enter the edition of book belongs to. Enter the number of pages in the book. Enter the volume of book. Now type the European article number or universal product code. If don't have these, select now. Finally click Create Listing button. And that's it, your listing will be active within 24 hours. Happy selling!